Have you chosen a topic?
As a matter of fact, I have. I recently watched the Netflix original series Love on the Spectrum, and it got me thinking, how does a romantic relationship for those who are on the spectrum differ for general population? What are their expectations? What are their needs? Because they have such communication difficulties. So how can we help them, guide them to understand their definitions and their expectations of a romantic relationship?
Okay, what do you mean by that?
Well, first, I would need for them to identify their expectation and definition of a romantic relationship.
Okay.
And I think how I'm going to go about it is using a mixed method approach. I will use qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative, I will take them in a longitudinal approach, meaning I would take them at 14 years old, probably about a random set of 10 participants, take them at 14, watch them all the way through 22. In doing this, I believe that I will be able to observe every level of maturity until they reach that final stage of maturity of 22. And in doing that, I will be doing field observations. I will conduct open-ended interviews, which will have the questions of what is your definition of a romantic relationship? What are your needs of a romantic relationship? What are your expectations of a romantic relationship? After I've conducted the interviews through the series of the 7 years, I will then go back and watch Love on the Spectrum, see if I can identify any differences or similarities. To conclude my study, I would then take the quantitative approach with using a Likert scale survey. What did you learn? Did your definitions change? Did your expectations change? And in doing that, I believe that we will be able to satisfy the need of helping those who are interested in a romantic relationship to be everlasting and be productive.
Okay.